Are you looking for a metal detector that combines precision, high performance, and a sleek design? Introducing the Garrett Ace 300, Jace Robertson's signature edition, the perfect device for treasure hunters, coin collectors, and jewelry seekers. This exclusive edition from Garrett features a unique camouflage design on the control panel, giving it a professional and stylish look. But that's not all. It comes with a set of accessories to enhance your detecting experience, including Garrett ClearSound Easy Stow headphones for crystal clear audio, an Ace environmental cover-up for protection against the elements, and a 7-inch by 10-inch Proformance search coil with a protective cover. With an 8 kHz operating frequency, this detector offers exceptional accuracy in finding coins, jewelry, and relics. You can also adjust the frequency to minimize interference, while the electronic pinpointing feature helps you locate targets quickly and precisely. For added comfort, the detector includes an adjustable arm strap and cuff, ensuring a secure and ergonomic fit for extended use. Plus, with 5 different search modes, you can customize your detecting preferences and even use the Accept Reject Discrimination feature to filter out unwanted metals. Proudly, mine made in the USA, Garland, Texas. The Garrett Ace 300 comes with a 3-year warranty, ensuring top-notch quality and performance you can trust. Want to learn more about this amazing metal detector? Check out the product link in the video description.